Job creation was weaker than expected in January, the Bureau of Labor Statistics reported Friday. Non-farm payroll rose by a seasonally adjusted 143,000 for the month, down from an upwardly revised 307,000 in December and below the 169,000 forecast from Dow Jones. The unemployment rate nudged lower to 4%. The report also featured significant benchmark revisions to the 2024 totals that saw substantial downward change to the previous payroll level. The revisions, which the BLS does each year, reduce the jobs count by 589,000 in the 12 months through March 2024, a preliminary adjustment back in August 2024 had indicated 118,000 fewer jobs. The level of those reporting at work as computed in the household survey soared by 2.23 million, the product of annual adjustments for population and immigration in the country. The household survey happened separately from the establishment survey used to tally total jobs. Job growth for January was concentrated in health care, 44,000, retail 34,000, and government 32,000. The total gain of the month was slightly off the average 166 in 2024, the BLS said. Social assistance added 20,000 while mining related industries lost 8,000. The unemployment rate moved lower as labor force participation increased, rising to 62.6%, up 0.1 percentage point from December. A broader measure that includes discouraged workers as well as those holding part-time jobs for economic reasons held steady at 7.5%. Markets showed little reaction to the report, with stock market futures modestly positive and treasury yields higher as well. While some economists have expected that the California wildfires would reduce the job count, the Bureau said they had no discernible effect on the total. The report is the first job count since President Donald Trump took office on January 20, with plans to cut taxes, boost growth, and level the global playing field on trade by slapping heavy tariffs on the biggest US trading partners. Federal Reserve officials are watching the number closely as they contemplate their next monetary policy moves. The FED cut benchmark rate by a full percentage point in the latter part of 2024, but policymakers of late have been advocating a more cautious pace ahead as they evaluate policy ramifications.